The COVID-19 pandemic has caused a significant backlog with the criminal jury trials, adding to the already lengthy list of stalled cases. That's according to Chief Justice Brian Murray QC, who says a plan has been set in motion to tackle the issue. Sir Brian says the judiciary is working its way through those cases that have been disrupted since March through the implementation of a backlog reduction strategy.
What I intend to do is to identify what I call the backlog inventory. That is to say, all criminal trials which were displaced since, I think it was the 17th of March, until now. And we're going to segregate those cases and put them in a specific category. And then I'm going to appoint judicial resources to simply deal with that backlog, while we have other judges working on the current calendar.
In March, just days after the Bahamas recorded its first case of COVID-19, the CJ announced that the global COVID-19 crisis had prompted sweeping changes for the Bahamas judiciary. Among the changes was the suspension of new jury trials in the Supreme Court. At the time, Sir Brian warned that the move would no doubt add to the backlog.
There has been a significant backlog of criminal jury trials as a result of the pandemic. We were not conducting criminal jury trials for many months, and I might say that was the case in courts around the world.
The CJ added that a key part of the strategy is getting more judges to handle the backed up cases.
So the backlog reduction strategy is a discrete program which I have been working on with my colleagues. That is going to require additional judicial manpower in order to address these trials. In other words, we're going to need a number of additional judges. So we don't want to compound the backlog by taking away my judges from dealing with the current calendar and put them on the backlog calendar, because all that's going to do is allow us to reduce the historical backlog, but it's going to add to a new backlog.
He said those special set of judges would work on the cases that were slated to be held between March 2020 and January 2021. The goal, he said, is to have those matters heard within 9 months. Reporting for Guardian News Network, I'm Jasmine Brown.